What's up, Flomies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the ET pass-off. The ET pass-off is a fun way for someone who knows how to do the finger spin to teach a beginner or someone who doesn't know how to do the finger spin. So to start, we're just going to get the Flowstar started, and we're going to be spinning it. And then the trick to this is you just work your finger towards the middle, almost to the point where your finger is not spinning. And then you're gonna have a short amount of time for the beginner to come up and take it directly off your finger. So from there, don't forget to tell the person who is just learning that after they take it, let their finger go out, and then let their finger catch the Flowstar. And then from there, that's where they spin. That is how you do the ET pass off. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more. Happy flowing!